Hey guys, if this is your face condition right now, please watch this video. I'll be showing you how you can treat this kind of face condition, be it dark spot, melasma, sunburn, hyperpigmentation. I'll be showing you how you can treat that, how you can go from picture 1 as you see here to picture 2. Yes, I'll be showing you how you can achieve this. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. You need to watch this video till the end so you can see how I made this cream, this face cream that can help to get rid of dark spot, that can help to treat melasma, that can help to treat hyperpigmentation. This cream is the real deal. Yes, watch till the end and I'll be showing you the ingredients you will need to make this cream at home that will help to transform your face, that will help to bring back your glow. Okay guys, so that's it. Without much talk, let's get right into the video and I will show you how you can prepare your own cream. This cream, you don't need to wash it out. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So to prepare this treatment, you will need shea butter. If you don't have original shea butter, go ahead and make use of coconut oil or Vaseline. Okay, these are the 2-3 carrier oils you can use. Number 1 is shea butter, original one. If you don't have it, you can make use of Vaseline or extra virgin coconut oil. Okay, so this shea butter is very good, it's super good. It helps to hydrate the skin. It makes your skin to glow. It helps to lock in moisture. It helps to reduce the signs of aging. Shea butter is very good to the skin. It gives your skin that plumpy look. So shea butter also has an anti-inflammatory effect on the skin. So we'll begin by melting it. To do that, place a pot on the cooker. Go ahead and add water. Bring the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, you place the shea butter in it. I wanted to use this plate, but I was thinking maybe this plate is not a heat resistant plate, so I had to change it to a plate that I'm sure that is a heat resistant plate. Okay, so make sure you will be using a heat resistant plate to do this. Otherwise, if you use anyhow plate, it might break. Okay, the heat might break the plate, so that's why it's necessary to use a heat resistant plate. Okay guys, so start by breaking the shea butter into pieces so as to hasten the melting. Some people would like to use microwave to melt this, but I feel like using microwave kills the nutrients. That's what I feel like. Okay, so I prefer using double boiling method to melt it. This is the safest way you can use to melt your shea butter, be it shea butter, be it coconut oil or Vaseline. This is the safest way you can use to melt it. Okay guys, so that is it. Go ahead and help it to melt faster by breaking it. Like I was saying earlier, shea butter is very beneficial to the skin guys. There are a lot of skin benefits of it. It helps you to fight skin infection. Shea butter also helps to lock in moisture to your skin. It helps to fade away stretch marks. Shea butter can do wonders to your skin. So that's it guys. After melting it, go ahead and take it off the cooker. Once that is done, you proceed with the next ingredient we'll be adding to it, which is turmeric. So I decided to add the turmeric while it's still on the cooker so that the nutrients will absorb into the oil very well. Okay, so that is it. I went ahead and added about 2 tablespoons of turmeric. This turmeric is already finished. I need to get a new one. Yes, so for some people, they don't know what turmeric is. Turmeric looks like curry, but it's not curry. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the next one I have. I will show you guys so you will see how it looks. This is the blended one. This is it. Can you see turmeric? This is it. So I'll go ahead and add I added 1 spoon initially before. Now I'll go ahead and add about half spoon again. Yes, so in total I added about 2 tablespoons of it. So turmeric contains antioxidant and the anti-inflammatory components, and this component helps to provide glow and luster to the skin. So that's why this turmeric is necessary. So the next thing we'll be adding is vitamin E oil. You can add this kind of vitamin E oil or the ones in a capsule. They are the same. Okay, they will still give you the same result. So, but it's necessary that you add vitamin E oil, because vitamin E oil helps to reduce hyperpigmentations. They helps to improve dry skin conditions. Yes, if you have a very dry skin, that can help to improve that. They also help to remove dead skin cells. They also help to reduce sunburn and dark spots. Okay, this is why it's necessary you add vitamin E oil. Okay, guys. So after that, you give it a good mix, and after mixing it, you go ahead and take it off the cooker. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, this treatment is very good and is very effective. So once you take it off the cooker, give it a good stir to make sure that nothing settles underneath, nothing settles in the bottom. Okay, and after giving it a mix, the next thing you have to do is to get a very clean container. Make sure that your container is very good. All right, transfer it into the container. After doing that, now it's ready to be used. If you want, you can leave it to solidify before you can make use of it. But the good thing is that you can make use of it in the solid or liquid state. So I'll go ahead and show you how you can make use of it. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you guys how you use this to get rid of dark spots and everything. As you can see, I have it here and it's not yet, look, it's not yet solidified. It's still in the liquid form. When it cools down, it will solidify, and you can use it in the liquid state or in the solid state. Okay, so after shower at night, go ahead, take some amount of it, put it in your hand, rub it and apply it on your face. Use it to massage your face. You don't need to wash it out. Even when it solidifies, you don't need to melt it before using it. Just put your finger into it, take small amount of it, rub it on your palm and apply it on your face. This will help to moisturize your face. This will help to give you smooth skin. This will help to get rid of dark spots. It will help to fade away wrinkles. It will help to heal all your skin blemishes or your hyperpigmentation. It will help to heal it. Okay, guys, so this is how you use this to get rid of hyperpigmentations, wrinkles, and all forms of skin blemishes. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like when it solidifies. This is about 7 to 8 hours and it has solidified. Look at it. This is how it looks like. Look at it. You can still make use of it either in solid or liquid state. Okay, and when it solidifies, you don't need to melt it before making use of it. Just dip your finger into it, take small amount of it and apply it on the places you have the skin problem. You can also use this to moisturize your knees, your elbows. If you're having dry elbow, dry knee, or dark knee, you can also use this on your knee and your elbow. Okay, this helps a lot. Okay, guys, this is it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.